I look so mean.
You look like a bad bitch.
I do. Because I am.
Okay, and don't give a
That ain't no problem. What is a problem though is that Shea Moisture Glue did not do what it was supposed to do.
That shit ain't glue.
That's not glue. That's edge control, baby.
Let me keep it real. Just let me be in your life like that. In your life like that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Morgan. Today we were going to be reviewing the Shea Moisture wig glue line, but as you'll see in the video, that didn't work out. So we ended up using Kiss Glue, and we got this. So if you guys want to see, one, how problematic the Shea Moisture glue is, and two, how great the Kiss Glue is, keep watching because this is not going anywhere. Okay guys, so today we're installing the highlight wig. You already know her. We're installing her with the new Shea Moisture wig glue. I got this glue from Target. Actually I got 3 things out of the whole line. They have the bonding glue with aloe vera. It's tea tree and borage seed oil. Y'all know Shea Moisture, so it's formulated with no parabens, no mineral oil, no animal testing, a whole bunch of other words I don't really know, but it's not in this. It's also non-alcohol based, gentle on the edges, and it's made for human and synthetic wigs. So I'm gonna try this on a human hair wig today. Maybe another video I'll do it with a synthetic wig. If you guys want to see that, let me know. I also picked up the Bond Release Spray. It's supposed to hydrate your skin and remove the glue. And I also got the Scalp Soother with tea tree and borage seed oil. I believe there's also like a leave-in conditioner. I want to say there's shampoo and there's a mousse. I know that for sure. There's a whole line of this stuff. You guys can check it out on Target or I don't know, wherever you find Shea Moisture, but I got mine from Target. So we're gonna do this today. I'm not gonna use a remover because why would I put my wig on for a day and take it off? I want this to last. So anyway, we're gonna use the glue today. The instructions say clean the hairline and pat dry, which I already did with my Erica J Skin Guard. Slick back edges away from the hairline. For best install results, apply adhesive in a cool, dry area. So you're supposed to apply a thin layer of glue in front of your hairline, allow a minute or 2 to dry, or you can blow dry it on a cool setting. We're gonna get into it. I'm gonna have this be like a little voiceover moment so I can really focus on what I'm doing. So you guys just watch and learn, and then I'll be back to talk about the results. All right, here we go. This is not staying.
Uh-oh.
This is not staying.
You Did you waste your money?
I don't know.
That's what some people were saying. Like, it had absolutely no hole.
Like, look at that.
Is it sliding as we speak?
Yes.
Some of the old songs.
Yes, ma'am.
She's like, bitch, what am I... What is this? What the fuck did I waste my money on?
What the fuck? Like, you see that? I put
Wow,
2 layers on.
it's like, it's in your skin. Yeah, you can't voice this over. You gotta put this in. Exactly. Laughs and frustration.
So guys, as you can see,
Nope.
it's not happening.
It's a no for me, dog.
It's a no for me, dog.
It could have been. It's not even a no. It's a can't for me.
Yeah, it's a don't buy this shit. Either way, ho, we gonna try a new product today.
Hopefully this could be a Shea Moisture flop, but Kiss Glue Bop. And that's gonna be the title of your video if the glue is good.
Okay guys, let me give you the lowdown. So you just saw me put 2 layers of this shit on and it didn't even work. That thing, you saw me tapping that joint, it was not tacky at all. So I think honestly that would be better served as slicking your edges back before your install and not using it to install your glue. It's non-alcohol based, so it's not harsh on your edges, but that also probably means that
clearly it's not, because it don't fucking stick.
right, but that also probably means that it's not the one for your install, babe. So we're still gonna try a new product today. We're gonna try the Kiss Almighty Bond glue. It's a dual tip applicator. If I can get the top off and show you. Oh, you twist it, Morgan. This side is the little like typical glue nozzle. The other side is a silicone tip, so you can spread it out, but you can also use this to squeeze the glue out, so you get the glue and the slick at the same time. I also have the remover. It says gentle foaming solvent protects your edges, no harmful chemicals. Oh, okay. So the directions for the remover is you put it, you know, obviously where you put your glue at. It would help if your wig is already lifting, because it says gently lift the wig, but you don't want to rip your edges out. So I would just put this on a lace, and then it says you massage it in, it'll get soapy as it's cleaning the glue. You let it sit for a minute and then get some water and, you know, take it off. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. This claims to be waterproof, this glue.
Proof?
Waterproof. And you know what? I've seen, the first person I saw use this was LaRasia Andrea. I don't know if you guys watch her, but she is a makeup and hair YouTuber. She's not a stylist, but she has the best installs, the best makeup. And I seen her use this. She was the first person I saw. They actually sent it to her first before they even put it in stores. And she jumped right in the pool and her wig did not move. It was a full lace wig, front and back. She jumped in the pool, it did not move. So we're gonna see how this works. I don't know if I'm gonna test if it's waterproof or not, but just take my word for it. So y'all just watch me do this. I told y'all I was gonna do a detailed glue install, but that's not gonna be today because I'm frustrated with that. So we're gonna make this happen. We're gonna make fetch happen.
We're gonna make something happen.
We're gonna make something happen. That ain't no problem. What is a problem though is that Shea Moisture glue did not do what it was supposed to do.
That shit ain't glue.
That's not glue, that's edge control, baby.
It's not, bro.
Not even edge control.
This is oil.
It's
That's just fucking. That's what Shea Moisture juice.
I'm dead. We already knew Shea Moisture was a dub. We already knew Shea Moisture was a fucking dub. Alright, anyway, let me do this.
It's giving I was born this way.
I was literally about to say.
Alexa, play born this way.
Y'all see it. Y'all
Yo,
see
did she
it.
hear me?
No, she didn't.
Oh, okay.
Y'all see it. I don't know.
Okay, actually, no, they don't.
You Cut the
This
cameras.
is why we're friends, guys.
This is why we're friends. Okay, y'all, so what did I do? Y'all saw me glue this down with the Kiss glue, and honestly it's giving what Shea Moisture thought she was about to be. I'm about to take this elastic band off.
I'm here. I just got it. You know your phone vibrating a little extra hard. You be like, damn, who the fuck is this?
Hold on, Julian is calling me. Y'all. Okay, so I'm not styling this hair. I want to leave it like this for a couple days. Yeah, this, as you can see, it's not going anywhere. It's melted. You can't tell me this isn't my hair. So yeah, all right y'all, so today is Saturday. I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I'm gonna be back Monday maybe, when I just to show you guys an update. Maybe I will have styled this hair by then, but I kind of want to leave it like this. I like it. I just like this look on me. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm editing this video and I realized I never did an outro. Today is Tuesday, and the update is this wig is still holding on. I just didn't glue the ear tabs down right, and they keep lifting because my sideburns are like kind of hairy. You know, I have like it's thick right there. But the wig is still holding up. The glue is still holding up. So I say go out and buy this wig. So I say go out and buy this glue and the remover. It's bomb. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Subscribe.
Harder, it shouldn't be no harder. It's harder if you find out emotions. Show